Another bright new day with new reactions from your boy Chikwet live from Africa. Another soul-touching performance from your most amazing queen singer, Kim Soyoung. She decided to cut her name short by just Soyoung. I love her because she's a beautiful singer. She survived from an illness or cancer, and that was a really great pain she went through. But since she survived, she decided to use her voice and show love to the world, give hope, thank the world by just doing music. And she's doing it so lovely, ladies and gentlemen. She's perfect when she performs. She's cool. She's beautiful. I love everything about her. I'm so much amazed with her voice. So, ladies and gentlemen, today she'll be doing for us Hug Me. I don't know. It's my first time of seeing the video. I don't actually know what the video talks about. We're just saying that she'll hug me, hug her. Yeah. The full content is Soyoung herself, which is going to be given to us, ladies and gentlemen. And without taking much time, let's ride on.
서러운 마음을 못 이겨 잠못 들던 어두운 밤을 또 견디고
Okay, wait a minute. This voice is cool. It's lovely. It's beautiful. She's great. Damn crazy, you know. I love this voice. This voice is really qualified for music. You know, all about music. You have to ready your voice. With this golden voice, it's moving so easily. You just have to acquire a lot of fans, a lot of people just have to recognize your talent all over the world. Ladies and gentlemen, it's beautiful. So let's go again.
내 절망과 상관없이 무심하게도 아침은 날 깨우네
Okay.
상처는 생각보다 쓰리고 아픔은 생각보다 깊어가 널 원망하던 수많은 밤이 내겐 지금 같아 내 곁에 있어줘
Incredible.
내게 머물러줘 내 손을 잡은 날 놓치지 말아줘 이렇게 네가 한 걸음 멀어지면 내가 한 걸음 더 가면 되잖아 하루에도 수천 번씩 네 모습을 되뇌이고 생각했어 내게 했던 모진 말들 그 싸늘한 눈빛 차가운 표정들 넌 참 예쁜 사람이었잖아 넌 참 예쁜 사람이었잖아 제발 내게 이러지 말아줘 날
Voice kind of soars away. I am really carried away with this voice. This man is beautiful.
내 곁에 있어줘 내게 머물러줘 네 손을 잡은 날 놓치지 말아줘
She really got talent when it comes to voice transmission. You know, it's like, oh.
멀어지면 내가 한 걸음 더 가면 되잖아
Woo. Okay.
내겐 내가 없어 난 자신이 없어 네가 없는 하루 견딜 수가 없어 이젠 뭘 어떻게 해야 할지 모르겠어 네가 없는
Whoa. Yeah. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Wonders. This is super cute. It's super cool. I don't know. This voice carries souls away. I hope you saw it, you feel it, you enjoy it. It's really moving you out of that negative gloss. It's really making your body relaxable, ladies and gentlemen. You know, talent is something you don't just get to practice about it. It's something, well, the way she sings, it shows that she was born with that talent of music because she's really qualified for it. She's damn crazy, beautiful. She got a gold voice. This voice takes souls along. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's take it again. Yeah, this is gorgeous, beautiful, you know. That was beautiful. You know, it's so cool, ladies and gentlemen. It's really cool. Let's see if I can just continue. Oh, she's happy. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. That was really wonderful. You know, she does not sing in the voice of, no, that's the English language, but I believe it's, so there's some statements which have been written in English language. You, who is an Anglophone, you can just get to know what she's really saying in her video by reading through across how she sings. It was beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. You really need to get in touch with this woman. Check her on a YouTube page, on a YouTube channel, and show her some love, post her some comments. As for me, do well to subscribe to my channel. If you are yet to subscribe, always do endeavor to do so, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for your kind attention. It's Chikwent live from Africa with Soyang from Russia. South Korea. Yeah. Thank you for your kind attention.